I need to order more books from KDP, and I'm going to show you guys how I do that. I have my inventory over here, and this is set up so that way whenever I submit a Google form, let me show you that. When I submit this form, the spreadsheet updates, and then the app script does its magic and I order it. So I need to order all of these in red because I have low stock, and then I honestly might go through and order a couple of these other ones. So go to KDP and I click on the paperback and order author copies, and that will allow me to add them to my cart for the base printing price. The only caveat, downside, frustrating thing is you have to wait like 10 to 20 days, I think. I don't know, it'll show you. So yeah, that's how you do that. I need to order. We'll start with my bestseller in person, these white feathers. Now, another tip is you have to order them within 24 hours of putting them in your cart because it will clear your cart and then you have to do it again. So if you are going to purchase, put them in and purchase. I'm going to order from US, and I want to order, kind of want to do 10 because I always sell out, and I've got a couple events coming up. Don't judge my cart, but here we go. There it is. So April 9th through 3rd. So that means 10 to 14 days. And that will give me a new restock. Now I'm not going to submit the form again until I get the books in hand, and then I'll inventory and redo that. This one is good. I think I'm going to do some more of these. I need one more green and 2 more red. So then you have to go back to KDP. So 1 more green and then 2 more red. This is kind of usually how I do it. I open a new 1 more green, 2 more red. I forgot to mention, so let's look at the totals real quick. So I'm gonna order 3, 5, 15, 16 books. Oh, and they're shipping. So yeah, they do charge shipping. I forgot to mention that. That means it's going to be so $80 for 16 books. So that's $5 a book. So I usually sell mine for 15. That's 3 times the price. So you easily make your money back. You can go down to 10 and still be good. That's with $11 in shipping. And if you do need them a lot quicker, I just go to the website itself and purchase from the buy it now or add to cart function. You do pay full price, but later on in 3 months' time, you'll get the difference back in your account because you're essentially paying yourself. So that's just a thought. I have done that and it is annoying, but you make the same money. It's just depending on how quickly you need it. If you don't have them as paperback, you can't order author copies, obviously. That's how you order author copies from Amazon KDP using, Amazon. Let me know how you order your books, and I would love to hear and learn from you in the comments below. See you in the next one. Hey, I wanted to show you guys. I hope you can hear me because my dog is crazy. Hey, what are you doing? Hey, summer. I have a summer activity book? When did that happen? I don't even know. Summer. Okay, I guess not. Summer activity book. I don't have a summer activity book. I need to make one though. That would be good. I don't know if I can make it in time.